We are in New York City! We are in New York City! We are in New York City! Welcome to New York, everyone!
It's incredible! Look at all the lights!
Wow, is that the real Statue of Liberty?
Hey, we go see it! It's lights!
Please, stay here.
Play, but don't go anywhere. We are ready. Take the photo. We are ready. Take the photo.
We are ready. Take the photo.
This is the last one. You look very happy. I like this moment.
Where is she?
Omar, where is your sister?
Nila! Nila!
Nila!
Wait, where are you going? Mom?
Where are you? Wait, listen.
Wait, where are you going? I am following you.
Wait, where are you going?
I am following you. Please stop!
Where are you?
Stop procrastinating.
The cat?
Where are you?
Mom?
I couldn't find you. You're safe now. I'm here. Nila? Nila, where are you? Nila? Nila, where are you?
We are waiting.
Mom, my sister. Please don't worry. We will find her. Mom, Dad, please, we need a plan. We can't just look everywhere. Let's think, maybe the map, where she is.
You're right. We need to stay calm and search together.
Yes, together. Mom, Dad, Omar, please, please, be calm.
I know how to find him. I want to surprise you. I know how we can find him fast.
Mind.
I'll show you. We can find him. My shoes, they have GPS.
GPS? I see something.
That's it, that's the signal. Is that her?
She's not far. Just a few streets away.
We can go now! I told you. We can find her fast, sir.
The world of ice cream. Mom? Dad? Omar? Lili? Where's my family?
Stay close!
This way! Hurry! We're coming, May!
Wait for us!
Mom?
You're safe now.
I missed you. We missed you. We missed you so much. I missed you too.
Finally.
We're all together.
Thank God. We are united now.
Yes. Together forever. Mom, Dad, please give education to both your son and your daughter. The same. Can you see how I helped our family?
You're right.
We are proud of you, Mom. Oh, Roger.
In our family, everyone is equal.
We learn together.
Education is for everyone.